and welcome to Home Decor 101. If this is your first time here, I am so happy. Welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Okay, guys, so since we are well on our way to August, we're halfway through the year, I wanted to put together a video of some of the most trending home decor styles of 2024 that we've seen for the first half of the year. So let's get into it. Okay, so we are going to kick off with a style that has really been gaining popularity and steam for a little while now, and honestly, I don't think it's going to be leaving us anytime soon. Now, neutrals have always been in, but this actually takes your typical neutral room and it just really injects your browns, your rust, your beiges, a lot of your warm creams, and it has really replaced the traditional neutrals and become the go-to neutral color palette. It's also one of the biggest design trends for 2024 as well as 2023. And after years of plain white and plain gray, I'm really happy to see this warmth enter our homes. Next, let's talk about quiet luxury. Now, you may have heard of quiet luxury in terms of fashion, but a lot of people are bringing it on over to the home decor world as well. But I hear a lot of people saying, I'm not really sure what it means. So, all it really is about investing in quality items that are really well made and meant to last a lifetime. It's not about really loud fabrics or patterns or colors or trends, but it's about timeless and beautiful classics. I don't know if this is really a trend. A lot of our moms and grandmothers have really been doing this for years, but it is super high quality and elevated, and I love that. Alrighty, so now let's talk about fluted details. So fluted details have really been on cabinets and in kitchens for a while now, but it seems like the past couple of years it's really picked up a lot of momentum. Now, if you all are not sure what fluted details are, it's just involved creating vertical grooves on the surface of furniture or cabinets, and it just adds a bit of texture. It makes it interesting to look at. And you can find it on tables, cabinet doors, really everywhere now. This one may be just a bit shocking to you, especially because within the last decade, people couldn't wait to get rid of all the wood that they had in their home. People were going for the all gray monotone rooms and the all white kitchens. But if you've noticed lately, especially within the past year maybe, natural wood tones are really coming back and it is surging right now. Whether it's a piece of wooden furniture or two in your room, or even if you just have a full out, natural, and even darker hued kitchen, wood and wood tones are really making a statement. And here's what may shock you, even wood paneling is back in a big way, as well as complete wood ceiling treatments. The one thing that I have absolutely noticed for 2024 is that classics are really making a comeback and it's almost becoming a trend. But we're going to specifically talk about herringbone. Now, if you all have noticed, we have been seeing this pattern everywhere and it's so versatile, which is so cool about it. You can see it on floors, you can see it in a kitchen backsplash, in a shower, you can see it now on furniture, carpet, and even area rugs and throw blankets. It's absolutely everywhere, but I love the fact that it still gives your room a very classic, chic vibe, and I can honestly say that this is probably one of my favorites for the recent trends that I've been seeing. Okay, friends, so this is the one that I am probably most excited about. Formal dining rooms are making a comeback. Now, due to the overwhelming popularity of open floor plans, right? Formal dining rooms really became less and less popular. You can always look at the new construction in your area and just kind of see what's in. You never saw formal dining rooms because really you just had one big room. But open floor plans are starting to really fade, and I, for one, am kind of happy. I like my separate rooms. And not only with the separate rooms, a lot of new construction companies are saying that people are wanting formal dining rooms. So, wallpaper is making a comeback as well. Some people think of old lady, shabby chic home decor style with lots of flowers and doilies everywhere. But this new age wallpaper that's coming about, it's so cool. It's chic. You can get it in a variety of colors and patterns. And it really is a great way to add a pop to a room. Plus, if you are renting, there are a ton of wallpapers now that are rental friendly that you can just go ahead and stick up there and pull off when you get ready to move. It's a really fun way to give your room an automatic accent wall. So last but not least, for what's in right now, let's talk about rich and moody colors. So notice I didn't say dark and moody, even though a lot of them are dark, but it's about really rich, vibrant jewel tone colors and also moody colors, which is still going to encompass some of your darker colors. Now this is such a 180 from a couple of years ago when everyone wanted the beige and gray and white living rooms and basically homes. People now are infusing their spaces with a lot of color, a lot of rich, deep color, a lot of patterns, and of course, beautiful shades of nature here and there. Alright friends, so we have talked quite a bit about what is trending, what's hot right now, but let's talk about what is leaving, what are people sick of, starting with all white and all gray rooms. A lot of people think it's too cold or too sterile, or for one reason or another, they are just sick and tired of it. But what do you think? Do you still have this style? And do you plan on getting rid of it? So the next thing that designers are seeing are really on its way out are dining tables with benches. Now it is a great way to seat a large number of people, especially if some of those people are kids. But as you get a little older, trying to maneuver on and off the bench and then having to literally scoot the whole bench out just for someone to get out is just a little much, I feel like, if you're in the over 30 crowd. Last but not least, something definitely on its way out is going to be fast furniture. Now this is going to be very similar to fast fashion. It's where you go to different companies that may or may not be in different countries and buy more cheapish type furniture. Now I do see where this serves a purpose. If you don't have a lot of money, listen, you have to do what you have to do. But if you are someone that's getting more comfortable in life, it's definitely better to save up for more quality pieces that will last you more than just a couple of years. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.